Okay, let's hook up this ZRDR CO2 generator. So everything's out of the packages, and here's the regulator, and it already has an O-ring on it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to hook up the solenoid. So one end of the solenoid has a spin type nut on the bottom, and a nut with a nipple on it. So we'll take that off for now, and we'll assemble that. And one thing I want to do is lubricate the threads and the O-ring. So I have a very light machine oil. So I'm going to just put a little bit of oil on the threads, and I want to put a little bit of oil right where the nut will spin. So we'll assemble that. This is where the little wrench comes in. And being that it's an O-ring, you don't need to crank the crap out of it. Just snug. Okay, that's that. Now, next step is to attach the bubble counter. So, you've seen the O-ring that was just floating around in the package. This is for the next step. So, the O-ring will go around the nipple here so that it seals the bubble counter. Slide that on like that, and we'll lubricate the threads and the O-ring. And this don't have no swivel, so you just screw it on. And that's that. So, when you're operating this thing, you'll need to fill this with a liquid. So, the top of this is threaded. And it has a gasket inside the cap. So what I want to do is I'm ready, when I'm assembling this for the final time, I'll put water in here for the time being. I'll keep it dry, and I'll just put a little drop of oil on the threads, and just a little drop of for the gasket. And we'll keep the squeaks down. So that's that. Now, all you got to do now is take this cap off. This is for your airline, and we're going to use the awesome Aquarium Co-op's airline. And you take the cap off, insert it into the airline, and then you attach it to the nipple, just like so. And then you tighten the cap. That'll lock the airline in place. Put a little lubricant on the threads, and that locks the airline in place. And then after, and it's all going to vary upon your aquarium and your setup, you attach the various accessories. This is your atomizer and your bubble producer. So this goes into the aquarium, and you get some suction cups to attach it. So you put one on the atomizer itself. You can use the others for the rim connector. This U-shaped part, this goes on the rim of the aquarium. So this goes bloop, on the rim you put your air line for whatever length to the atomizer, you know, so whatever distance, and this the other side connects to your manifold. So now it's time to fill the vessel. And that'll be in another video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.